Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to scrape and export Temu product reviews data to CSV. This can be opened both with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to be giving you a couple options that you can do. They all work. It's just up to you which one you decide to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is Google extensions, okay, or Chrome extensions. We want to find our way over to the Chrome Web Store. Here we can actually search up the extensions for Temu Reviews Extractor. Go ahead and search this up, and then it gives you 3 of the most relevant extensions that you can use to export CSVs. So the one that's highly rated is this one, which will probably be the best use case, especially if you're a business owner. And so the reason for this is it basically allows you to scrape a whole bunch of them all at once, and it's super convenient. So go ahead and click this, which will then lead you to here, this right here. And as you can see, it says Temu Scraper, export listings, sellers, reviews, and more. So it's not just the reviews, you'll get a whole bunch of stuff alongside it. So the extractions in general are going to look like this. As you can see here, you can just add it to an export list, which will make it super easy for you to get out into a CSV file. As you can see, it tells you everything you need to know and how many slots there are within the reviews. So go ahead and add it to your Chrome, and I'm going to be showing you how it actually looks on the Temu page. So obviously this is Temu on computer, not on mobile, and I believe it might not work as well on mobile, so I honestly recommend doing this on computer or laptop, whichever works for you. What you're going to want to do here is just hit best-selling items or the item that you'd like to look at the reviews of. So as you can see, there's a lot of ratings on this item, which probably means there's quite a bit of reviews on this item. But just in case, we can also do something like this, which obviously has 22,000 ratings, which means there's going to be a bunch of reviews on this. Go ahead and click that. Now, before pressing anything, what you're going to want to do is make sure the entire page is loaded up. So scroll all the way to the bottom and then scroll all the way back to the top. It's a good recommendation as sometimes it does glitch. Then find your way over to your extensions button, which is right up here at the top right. Click that and then find your way over to the extractor, the Temu Review Scraper. So as you remember, that's the exact one that we downloaded. And so with this, we're just going to go ahead and click this, and it's going to open up the menu. So as you can see, it lets us export reviews just like that. So if you just click that, it'll basically export it all for you. And as you can see, it slowly downloads all of the reviews that are on this page, and then it lets you download it to a CSV file. So keep in mind, some of these do have paid tiers. If you continuously want to use this, you may have to pay for some sort of subscription, and that's why I gave you multiple options. So besides this one, there's also this one and this one as the 3 that's over here. But let's say you want to just start off by trying it out, seeing if you actually like it. There is a free option. It's just not called a Temu scraper. It's called the TM feed scraper. And as you can see, it works fairly similarly. The only issue is it does limit you before you have to upgrade to premium. But if this interests you and you just want to try it out and see if it's actually useful for you and your business, that's the way to go about it. So I hope this was helpful. Once this finishes up, all I have to do is click download and it'll download everything onto my computer. If this was helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. Thank you for your time.